It's Thursday, January the 16th, and I'm David Song, currency analyst with Daily FX, here to cover a few things for the British pound as well as the UK retail sales report on tap for Friday, where we're expected to see private sector consumption increase another 0.3% during the month of December. Of course, this would mark the second consecutive monthly advance in retail sales, and in light of the recent fundamentals that we're seeing coming out of the UK economy, namely the stronger than expected recovery that we're seeing in the UK labor market, paired with we're seeing some telltale signs that maybe we're starting to see some pickup in wages, could be some very good signs for or bode well for that retail sales print on tap for tomorrow. So with all the things that we're watching, some of the current themes that we're watching, specifically the policy outlook, it looks as though we did get some comments from Governor Mark Carney just earlier on today. Didn't really tell us much in terms of the policy outlook, but should we get a nice retail sales print, could really encourage the Bank of England, of course, to implement their exit strategy ahead of schedule. And of course, large speculation surrounding the Bank of England is ultimately when they will look to normalize monetary policy at a more aggressive pace, and of course, when we will see the first rate hike come from the Bank of England. But with that said, guys, let's take a look at the chart. I think we're still seeing some very interesting developments here. So again, as long as we're holding above that 163 handle, guys, I think we're going to have to maintain our bullish bias for the British pound, especially as we do see the relative strength index also maintain that bullish formation dating all the way back to July. So with this on tap, guys, should we get a better than expected retail sales report, or even a strong print for that matter, might see a nice topside move. And of course, topside remains limited right around 165.50 into that 166 handle. So we'll be watching some of those topside levels very closely going into the end of the week. But of course, next week we also have the Bank of England minutes coming out on the 22nd, and of course we really haven't gotten too much updates from the central bank in terms of the policy outlook. So again, some more event risks that we'll watch for the British pound next week. But in terms of technical structure, still looks supportive, and we will maintain the game plan to buy dips here as long as we stay above that 163 handle. But with that said, guys, of course, going into the weekend, probably going to see market participation thin out, especially ahead of the holiday that we have here in the US on Monday. So just be aware of that. And as always, guys, be prudent and good luck trading.